Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be dyeing my wig, and I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm using. And I'm using bleach 30 volume developer. We got Adore dye and crimson, and raging red, and then a mixing bowl, some gloves, and aluminum foil. So y'all finna watch me, and I'm gonna come back once it's done and when I apply the wig and style it. So I'm finna talk y'all through what I'm doing. So right here, I'm just applying the color, which is either the darkest one. I kind of mix them both, but I use mostly the darker red color. So I'm applying that, and another thing is I want to try to keep in mind that this is not a new wig. Like, this was a wig, as you can see, it was bleached and it kind of has some highlights in it. So the back roots are dark. But yeah, so here I'm just showing y'all how I dyed the frontal portion, since I didn't do the watercolor. And I didn't do the little watercolor method because I wanted a portion of it to not get dyed. So I don't know how to do that and be successful if I'm doing a watercolor method. But I just went in with the brush very carefully and, went from root to end very, very carefully. And you're gonna see, like, I did get some red on the part that I wanted to stay blonde. I really don't know how, but it could be from my gloves, something. But so yes, on this portion you just want to be real careful. Okay, so now I have moved on to bleaching. So I showed y'all that I used the BW2 powder and 30 volume developer. Mind you, the front is already pretty light, but I wanted it to get lighter. And yeah, so I'm showing y'all how I applied that, and you can see some red on there. I took the end of the rat tail comb and I'm trying to, like, kind of scoop the pinkish red off of it, because I still didn't want it to sit on the hair. But I mean, I don't even know if that made a difference. I didn't show me rinsing it out. When I rinsed it out, I rinsed the red out first. Just use cool water so it could kind of seal the color and it wouldn't transfer as much. But yeah, so I rinsed that out first before I rinsed out the blonde bleach. And I tried to keep it, like, as separated as possible so the pink or red water wouldn't get on the blonde. Also, what else? I also used purple shampoo and I let it sit on the blonde portion, I'll say for about 20 minutes. I didn't even mean to leave it on there that long, but I started cleaning up and low-key forgot. But yeah, I left the purple shampoo on there just to tone it because it was pretty orange, as you could see. Fast forward, I curled the hair off camera, and I'm gonna let y'all know I used too big of a curling iron. I used like a 2-inch curling iron, so the curls did not hold at all. But once I used like a smaller wand later on, like the next day, and the curls look pretty straight. So yeah. So here I'm just gluing my wig down. I'm just real focused gluing that thing down. And it was kind of hard trying to glue it down with them clips in the front. I don't know why I did that. But I glue my wig down different every time. Literally, every time. So, if y'all want to see me do a tutorial on that, let me know. But yeah, I'm just doing that. I'm looking real, like, stressed. Anyways, so now I'm taking the curls. Nope, I ain't take the curls down. I lied. I'm trying to push it back so it's not in the glue. I kind of hot combed it back a little bit. I don't know if y'all could tell, but yeah, y'all see the struggle. And the wig was also a little bit too small for my head, so my forehead really got pulled back. But anyways, yeah, girl. I'm gluing the last side down. At the end, once it's glued down, I use the Sebastian's Shaper Plus, which I got from Slade by Jordan. He be using that, and that really do work. It hold the lace down, melt it into your skin. I wrap that up with a elastic band, and I proceeded to take down my curls for real. Oof, my hair looks so frizzy, but that's before I use the wax stick. This is the final product before I hit it with the hot comb. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So I just wanted to update y'all and let y'all know this hair did not hold the curl at all. But yeah, I ended up not doing no baby hair Oh, my arm burning already. It's burning. But yeah, so I just want to end this video off by saying thank you for watching, and let me know if I have any suggestions on what I should do next, what y'all would like to see from me. And yeah, bye y'all.